হেল্ল' টিচাৰ্ছ পুনতে নমস্কাৰ গ্ৰহণ কৰিব। আজি মই হেল্থ এণ্ড ৱেলবিং পাঠ্যক্ৰমত অন্তৰ্ভুক্ত কুইজ পৰ্চনৰ প্ৰতিটো প্ৰশ্নৰ সঠিক উত্তৰ সমাধান কৰিবলৈ লৈছোঁ। তেনেহ'লে এতিয়া আৰম্ভ কৰোঁ আহক। আহিংসা ইজ ওৱান অফ দ্য প্ৰিন্সিপল অফ, ইয়াৰ সঠিক উত্তৰটো হ'ব য়ামা। The first aid of teachers and students was developed by এনচাৰটো হ'ল National Disaster Management Authority. Which two principles are considered as the universal codes of conduct? Answer Yama and Niyama. Dash is a relatively a new media platform that has revolutionized our world. ইয়াৰ উত্তৰটো হ'ল ইণ্টাৰনেট। What are various modes of transmission of communicable disease? Answer direct transmission, droplet infection, contact with soil. How much should a person at least play any game per day after warming up to stay fit? Answer 30 minutes. Which one is a cardiovascular disease? Answer Marfan syndrome. Which of the following help us in realizing our true self? Answer Pranayama and Dhyana. Health-related fitness do not include. Answer balance. What is violence? ইয়াৰ সঠিক উত্তৰটো হ'ল any physical, emotional, mental and sexual cost to another person against whom the act is directed. Which asana work for increasing height? Diksha. Surya Namaskar improves. Answer blood circulation. Which one of the following is a permanent change in the body that does not occur due to the regular physical exercise? Answer increase in the abdominal size. How can a positive attitude be developed towards healthy relationship in adolescence? Option talking to them and understand their concern. Which of the following things should be avoided in case of any emergency? Option give them something to eat or drink to avoid discomfort due to hunger or thirst. What does VLCPC stand for? Village Level Child Protection Committees. HIV is transmitted through which of the following set of activities? সঠিক option unsafe sex with a HIV positive person, infected needles, infected blood. How does food ensure the proper nutrition and function of our body? সঠিক optionটো হ'ল by building muscle, protecting the body, helping to the fight against disease, storing energy and a balanced diet. Which of the following sets come under emotional violence? সঠিক উত্তৰটো হ'ল threatening, abusing, humiliating, scaring. How much of the physical activity must one do apart from yoga to stay fit every day? সঠিক option 20 to 30 minutes. ইয়াৰ পিছত সাবমিট বটনত ক্লিক কৰিব। টোটেল স্কোৰ 20ৰ ভিতৰত 20। ছাৰ বাইদেউসকল ভিডিঅ'টো ভাল পালে আপোনালোকে শ্বেয়াৰ কৰিব, লাইক কৰিব, কমেণ্ট কৰিব আৰু ছাবস্ক্ৰাইব কৰিব নাপাহৰিব। ধন্যবাদ।